Hi everyone, this is your host Raza Sheikh and welcome to AI Search, a platform that is committed to make you win with your data. AI Search, a platform that allows business to achieve its data value with no technical expert profile whatsoever. Today we have a different industry with its own challenges. Use case to demonstrate for telecommunication domain. Agenda, use case, its challenges and solution. Followed with live product demo, ultimately signing off with why AI search. Telecommunication industry is challenging. I am amateur. In my humble opinion, it's the competitive industry, if not being customer-centric, where array of devices stream high-quality video in particular time frame with heavy usage. Getting an accurate historical scope of network issues and details surrounding the service interruptions would greatly help telecommunication provider look inward to strengthen their particular locals. And additionally, the much appreciated rollout of 5G puts an ever greatest importance on telecommunication provider to see their network in clearest light. Having said that, let's look into a couple of challenges. Mainly to understand network quality and its indicators, where telecommunication providers wanted to improve call quality with having deeper understanding of different KPIs, likewise number of calls, average time of setup, call drops, and so on and so forth, so that they can give a better customer experience. Data sources in variety of different data formats, and all that in an early statistics fashion. Now, these are the couple of challenges normally a telecommunication provider goes through. Let's move ahead and see what AI Search have to offer and how it can make it easy and fastest way possible. AI Search is a web-based data analytical tool. AI Search offers end-to-end data lake platform, from data ingestion to determination. The best part is you don't need any technical profile to build your big data platform. Our infrastructure components automatically spins up all the big data resources required for your data success. No-code connectors allow you to go and connect to different disparate source systems, be it batch or streaming. Profiling is where the details of your data has been shown as it stands. And data wrangling, being the most powerful of all the components, allow you to transform your data and manage your data effectively and efficiently, see the change as you go. Orchestration has all the power to continuously manage your large and complex data sets. And AI Remedies is where you see that business value with pre-calculated industry-specific KPIs. And my all-time favorite, the data lineage, is an art with well-crafted reconciliation report. Allow you to see every record flowing through your data pipeline, which means you happen to see any record drop otherwise we reported to you. So let's go ahead and see what AI Remedies Telco report dashboard is all about. AI Search pre-built Telco dashboard allow you to see 360 view of your network, volume of call per cell tower, call drops and reasons. It allows you to answer many questions, likewise which volume of the calls are mostly being handled, inward or outward calls. How many calls were dropped and why were those calls dropped? Which cell tower is handling the most volume of the calls? And many, many more questions that can be easily answered on this intuitive dashboards. So having spoken about that to the length, let's go ahead and demonstrate the entire end-to-end capability of building your telco dashboard from ingestion to determination.
Great. What you're seeing is the use cases dashboard, which I've already built. Here are two ways you can access your dashboard. A, copy this link and paste it on your browser tab, or go directly to the dashboards. The main page gives me and my user a preview of what this dashboard offers and helps me personalize my branding by allowing me to change the background colors, logos, and even narratives. Now let's go to the cockpit page. Here you can get all your telco KPIs, a single view of truth about them all. As a network operator, it is important to know how much calls successfully connected in a month as well as understanding the number of calls that have been dropped. Additionally, it's good to know how much time did it took to successfully connect or set up those calls. The dashboard displays your data or allow you to slice and dice in many different ways. This is a month-on-month report that allows me to easily switch between different months and the years. Next is a top performer report that reports on number of calls using different phone types. It also reports on average conversation time. And what I find informative is the clear reason for call dropped. You can even check out the most top performing cell towers and their locations. Dedicated dropped call reports a deep dive into the reasonings with hourly statistics that helps in effective decision making. Next is the ad hoc report with Pareto analysis using Pareto principle, also known as 80-20 rule. Allow you to analyze on a different set of variables. In seasonality report, identify predictable and recurring trends every year. Great. Finally, the top 4 KPIs trend. YTD, i.e. the year to date, and MTD, i.e. the month to date trending momentums showing on this report. As you can see, there's a lot of information in this action-packed dashboard, which can be built in just under 5 minutes. The best part is not to wait for weeks or months or hire skilled resources. Instead, start taking actionable decisions in minutes. Here I had already processed a sample data set with automated data quality handled within AI search for millions of rows on its scalable infrastructure. Okay, currently AI search remedies is focused on these 4 industries. Now that we are trying to build a use case for telecommunication industry, let me select that. Cool, it looks like I have a pretty good options to choose from. Okay, let me go ahead and select the use case we just walked through. Great, the template screen 1 allows you to select the source dataset and map its fields with the template fields. It's absolutely super easy. Okay, let me clarify this. The naming convention of the source field name does not have to be the same as the template. What matters the most is the data within it. Now that the mapping has been done, the next button will trigger the Dojo to go ahead and create all those KPIs based on these base fields. In the matter of few seconds, what I get is this 10 KPIs well calculated and ready to consume the data. Screen 2 of AI Remedies give me a lot of options to personalize my dashboard. It allows me to basically give a personalized dashboard name and also allow me to upload the logo according to my branding and change the background if I wanted to. I love the attention to detail where I have an option to select the decimal placing and to select my desired currency type. Also secure my dashboard with the credentials of my own desire. Selecting the color pattern is a final touch to my personalizations that also resembles in my visualizations. This is the final screen of AI Remedies where I have option to select all the reports to be included in the dashboard or specific reports based on my requirements. As soon as the instruction is given, Dojo will begin acting on behalf of data engineers and data scientists to deliver this intuitive telco dashboard. Point to be noted before time. No shortcuts. Currently, Dojo is working to provide you the best foundation for your web app, and is 100% production ready once we are done. Great, the dashboard is now ready to be shared for impactful decisions. To access the dashboard, I'm expected to enter its username and password. And there you go, your own personalized dashboards in minutes. Dashboards are one of the most requested features when it comes to decision making. And we are thrilled to finally release a Remedies dashboards that's just like how you would expect a dashboard to work. You will be able to view all your data without writing a single line of code. What's more, these dashboards are pre-designed and automatically deployed as a container with millions of rows to be processed for an immediately useful experience. Okay, allow me to wrap up this live demo sessions with these three key takeaway points. AI Search is a fast no-code data lakehouse solution that helps in delivering data in minutes. B, being a no-code platform, it is for everyone, not just for data engineers or data scientists, where they will be able to cut down their efforts by 90%. AI Search could be a useful tool for non-tech users as well. Finally, we built AI Search with operational maintenance in mind, so that you could focus on your business without worrying about the technical depth.
Okay, that's been well said and demonstrated with the product live demo. The question is, why AI Search? Why would anyone want to use AI Search as a data platform, as a unified data platform? Well, AI Search was built to help business collect and analyze data flow with cost-effective platform for data analytics, data science, and business intelligence. So all in all, eliminating the need to have a separate data warehouse on top of your data lake. That's a good, valid point, first one. AI Search is built on futuristic technologies, infrastructure automation to deliver industry-grade data projects. We bring together data engineering, data science, business intelligence to let you build and scale production-ready applications and algorithms in fast, scalable, and reliable way. Couple of technologies likewise, because we use Kubernetes, you get many benefits like scalability, cost-reduced infrastructure, more control on your data applications, and very less pain. Secondly, we use Delta Lake to an extent with a combination of Spark and Levy as your data storage layer that delivers reliability on your data lake. With NiFi, put simply, to automate the flow of data between the systems. And with Airflow, you organize, execute, monitor your workflow so that they work seamlessly. Ultimately, your data is always on cloud object storage, the cheapest way to store your data. Plus, we believe in no vendor lock. Hence, you have your data accessible even if you opted out of AI Search. You get all these numerous benefits and much more, along with powerful automation utilized to its best and sophisticatedly managed by Dojo. Now, the choice is yours.